Meredith. There you have it.
Say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
What did Grandmary and Grandpa get for you? What did they give you for trick or treat?
Yeah.
One this.
Oh, what else did you get?
No, I don't want that.
Say thank you, I don't want that.
Don't you want your balloon?
No.
Why?
It's a trick or treat balloon.
I don't want it.
Why don't you want it?
Oh.
Don't you like that pumpkin balloon? Look how, and there's candy on it. Wow.
Take it off.
What do you want to take off?
The candy off.
But see, if you put it in your bag, then everybody will see you coming with your balloon.
Yeah.
And the candy can go in your bag.
Put it in my bag.
Okay. See?
Wow.
Boy, is that nice.
That's
Yeah.
special.
He's not fly away.
No,
No, he's not going to fly away.
Stay
He
right
won't
with
fly
you.
away.
Yeah.
Can you give Grandmary and Grandpa a kiss and say thank you?
Mm.
Give me a kiss.
Okay.
Thank you for my trick-or-treater.
Oh, you're very welcome. Come
Where's
back
Skippy?
again next year.
Don't you want to see your dog?
Skippy's on the porch. He got a haircut today.
Want to go see him?
Oh, let's go. Let's go see it. Oh, look it. Mexican haircut. Oh, he's nice. He's nice. He's the haircut.
Doesn't he look beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, here comes some kids. Will you give them their treats?
Go to the door and give the kids their treat. Over here, this door.
Come here.
Come to the front door and you can help Grandma give the kids their treat.
Meredith, you made my day.
Thank you, I don't want that.
Thank you. I don't want that.
Hey, I'll buy the pencil.
What? Will you put the treats in their bag? You set your bag down here. No.
Give the kids some treats,
No, here,
Meredith.
you give them the treats out of here.
They're trick or treating.
She might be able to reach.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Give the kids a treat.
Put it in the bag.
Say, there you go.
You're welcome.
Okay, now put this one in there.
Thank you.
Say, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
How about that, Meredith?
Yeah.
How about that?
Trick or treat.
Give them treats, Meredith. Say, happy Halloween.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, thanks. You're a good.
I didn't think you could talk.
Mine can't talk.
Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy
love my
Halloween.
I love my mommy.
Why, sure you do.
My favorite clothes. Say, I'm Twinkle the Clown.
I'm taking the clown.
You are.
And I got candy all over my face.
Hello in my place.
And I love Halloween.
I love Halloween.
And give mommy a kiss. And give mommy a kiss.